this video, we will guide you through a simple, yet highly effective way to practice meditation daily. But before that, you may wonder why meditation is necessary. The answer is short and simple. Our mind produces thousands of negative, fearful, and self-critical thoughts every day. So, it becomes impossible to concentrate because negative thinking is the biggest enemy of focus. This lack of focus leads to anxiety, depression, poor performance, delayed goals, loss of motivation, and ultimately career failure. Meditation increases concentration by training the mind to stay in the present moment. A focused mind works faster, solves problems better, and moves towards success with confidence. Here is a straightforward yet powerful meditation technique. You can listen to it every day to bring greater success into your life. Sit in a comfortable position, allowing your body to settle naturally. Keep your spine straight, allowing your posture to remain relaxed and gentle. Rest your palms lightly on your thighs, allowing them to fall into a natural, effortless position. If you want, you may gently close your eyes. Give yourself permission to leave behind the noise of the outside world and enter a space of inner stillness. You are settling into a position where alertness and ease coexist. Ease the tension in the muscles of your face. Allow your shoulders to be in relaxed position. Be present in this moment. Now, gently bring your attention to breath. Watch the rhythm of your inhalations and exhalations as if you are observing a natural phenomenon, something happening on its own. Notice the weight of the body pressing against the surface you are seated on. Feel the subtle pressure your body exerts as it rests. Now, return your focus once again to the breath. Observe the movements occurring within your body as it breathes. Notice any sensations that arise, perhaps a tingling in your hands, a feeling of warmth in your legs, or the delicate touch of air brushing against your skin. Shift your attention from the breath for a moment to observe these sensations closely. Every feeling, no matter how subtle, is a gateway into deeper awareness. Whether you feel a slight coolness on your arms or a faint vibration somewhere else in your body, simply notice it. Now, return your awareness again to the breath. If your ears catch any sounds, the chirping of birds, the distant sounds of vehicles, the voices of children playing, do not resist these sounds. Allow them to appear and fade effortlessly within the vastness of your existence. Again, bring your attention back to the breath, This simple act of returning again and again to breath strengthens the mind's ability to remain focused and grounded in the now. Each time an experience pulls your attention away, whether it is a thought, a memory, an emotion, or a physical sensation, notice it without judgment and lovingly guide your awareness back to your breathing. Now begin to observe how deeply your breath travels into your body. For most of us, breath reaches only to the chest, barely touching the deeper layers of the body. Only a few allow their breath to flow fully into the belly, reaching its natural depth. The shallower the breath, the more the mind becomes entangled in unnecessary activity and negative thinking. Now, notice the rising and falling of your chest with each cycle of breath. Let the body breathe on its own. Do not force anything. You are not the breather, but simply the observer, quietly witnessing the body's natural breathing cycle. Pay attention to the sensation of air entering through your nostrils. Feel how the incoming breath is cool and refreshing, while the outgoing breath feels warm and soft. These tiny temperature shifts are subtle but noticeable if you observe carefully. Now sense the breath as it passes through your throat. Notice any changes in temperature or sensation as air moves inward and outward near the throat area. Even the slightest difference, the faintest warmth or coolness, is worth observing. As you watch these sensations, you will notice a deepening calmness spreading throughout the body. Now place your attention on the upward and downward movement of your chest as the breathing continues. Allow yourself to take deeper, slower, and fully relaxed breaths. As you inhale, let the air travel all the way down to your belly. This kind of deep breathing brings the breath to its natural destination, the navel area. Observe the breath as the air that enters through the nostrils flows effortlessly through the throat, fills the chest, reaches the stomach, and then reverses its path during exhalation. Observe the movement of your belly as you breathe. Feel how it gently expands with each inhale and falls softly with each exhale. This is deep breathing. When you continuously watch the breathing, it automatically slows down and begins to reach the navel center of the body, and something remarkable starts happening. Your body begins to conserve its vital energy, and the brain activity naturally slows down. This reduction in mental chatter and overthinking allows your body to enter a state of deep mental relaxation, calm, blissfulness. If thoughts or emotions arise that take your attention away from breathing, do not be discouraged. This is natural. Simply guide your awareness lovingly back to the breathing process. In this meditation technique, returning back to breathing is the most important part. While breathing, keep observing the movement of your belly. The navel area, which is also known in ancient traditions as the center of vital energy. Around the navel lies a network of subtle energy channels that nourish the entire body. The navel energy center, sometimes referred to as the Swadhisthana or solar plexus, is the place where vitality, stability, and inner strength originate. With each breath, sense a soft stream of cosmic energy gathering and glowing at your navel center. Continue focusing your attention on the breath as it flows, reaching this powerful center. The more you remain present here, the more your inner energy becomes calm, steady, and harmonious. As you breathe, feel gratitude toward your body. Thank Universe for giving you the gift of this breathing, this moment, this existence. Appreciate your lungs for working tirelessly, your heart for beating continuously, your body for supporting you through every experience. Feel grateful to the universe for allowing you to be alive. As you breathe in, imagine the universe filling your body with light and positive energy. With every exhale, feel your body releasing tension and negativity. Silently thank the universe for giving you the opportunity to live as a human being on this beautiful planet. Feel that with each breath, waves of happiness, peace, and positive energy are flowing into your body. This blessing continues to flow in your body automatically as your breath flows naturally. Now slowly allow your awareness to expand to your entire body. Feel your fingers, hands, and feet. Gently wiggle them. Allow small movements to return to your body. When you feel ready, softly open your eyes. As you move through your day, remember to stay connected to your breath. Whenever you get a chance, return to your breath again. Let it calm you and bring you back to the present moment. Thank you for joining this meditation. May peace and clarity stay with you throughout your life.